How to adjust sound in Honor of Kings. Hi everybody, welcome back to Tech for Gamers. In this video, we are going to be learning how you can easily adjust or change your sound settings in Honor of Kings game quickly and easily. First of all, launch open Honor of Kings game on your device and wait for the main menu to load. From the home screen, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top right corner. This will open up the settings menu on your screen. Go ahead and tap sound. From the sound option that appears on the screen, go to the game volume setting option and there you can go ahead and adjust your sound settings. Look for the master volume button and if you want to turn off all the sound effects in the game, you can simply go ahead and untick the enable button right under master volume. If you do this, you'll not be able to hear any kind of sound effects in the game. But if you want to turn on the master volume, you can do so by tapping on the little square box under master volume, and you can also increase or decrease the volume for your game by dragging the little slider under volume on the right corner. Go ahead and adjust the sound by dragging the slider towards the left or the right. If you want less background music, then you can simply drag it towards the low button or raise it if you want stronger music or ambience. In the same menu, you can also adjust lobby music, in-match music, in-match sound effect, hero voice, and announcer voice. Make your selection, adjust it according to your preference, and that's where you can easily increase or decrease or completely mute the game volume settings in Honor of Kings. Now you know where to look when you want to adjust the sound setting in Honor of Kings to suit your preference. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.